Aliran News tolong sampaikan kepada dunia bahwa seperti ini kondisi di Aceh pada saat ini. Pemerintah Indonesia pada saat ini menutup-nutupi bahwa kondisi Aceh pada saat ini baik-baik saja. Pada kenyataannya di Aceh pada saat ini benar-benar sedang dilanda musibah yang cukup dahsyat, melebihi daripada tsunami, Mister.
He said he needs your help to tell to the world that what happened nowadays in Aceh, right? You know, now the situation nowadays, this is as what we call it. Gimana bang? Apanya?
Bencana pada saat ini yang melanda Aceh melebihi daripada tsunami, Mister.
Okay, the natural disaster happened nowadays.
Yes.
Is more than the tsunami before. Yeah,
Yes.
This is the biggest on the tsunami. We want you to introduce to the world, to tell to the world, this is bigger than tsunami.
So I specifically came here to see this disaster because I think it's terrible, and I feel very sorry for the community that they have lost so many things. And you have a story of loss. The tsunami, now you have this, and it's getting worse and worse. We feel very sorry for you. You have our solidarity and our support. That's why I'm here, and thank you for having me here and be able to visit and speak to people like yourself.
Pada saat ini Aceh benar-benar sangat membutuhkan bantuan dari dunia luar, Mister.
He said, Aceh now is need help from international world. He said.
And I think that is what will happen today. I will be taking photos and I will post things on Instagram, and I will tell people about this. The best way is